Hello and welcome to a Beaufort County News segment. I'm Chloe G and I am here with Miss Katie Godowns from Nexus Care of Beaufort County. Thanks for taking the time and joining us, Katie.
Thanks for having me.
So today we want to talk more about tobacco usage in Beaufort County, and the first thing I want to know is, what is the prevalence rate of tobacco use in Beaufort County?
So our statistics come from the South Carolina Department of Public Health, and with our population being just under 200,000, we're noticing that a little bit over 10% of the people in Beaufort County are using smoking cigarettes. And so while that number has gone down, our smokeless tobacco has increased. So 16% of people are using smokeless tobacco, which is pretty alarming to us, and about 8% are using e-cigarettes.
And why is it such a concern here?
Yes, so it's alarming to us because nicotine is in most of these devices, and nicotine is the addictive substance. And when it is found in these devices, it's a high potency amount. So they're getting a high dose of nicotine at one time. And when people were smoking cigarettes, they were kind of, they see their pack and they were rationing out their cigarettes throughout the day. But now that it's readily available in these small packs, high doses of nicotine, or unlimited vape devices, they're getting high doses of nicotine at one time. So addiction is setting in very, very, very fast.
Yes, it's very alarming. Can you tell me more about tobacco use education that Nexus Care provides?
Yes, so our prevention team at Nexus Care are all certified in a program called the South Carolina Tobacco Education Program, and it is kind of like an alternative to those that maybe they've gotten in trouble at school, or their parents just really want them to have education around the matter. And it's about 6 sessions, and it covers nicotine use, addiction, e-cigarettes, healthy alternatives, on all the different things that we can kind of educate our youth and not even our youth, maybe even our adults, on these devices and how they can maybe quit using them, or just the education about the risks.
And where can someone go to find you guys, or how can they get help, or even a presentation?
Yes, so our prevention team is always available to do presentations. We can cater our presentations to the needs of the community. So if it's a school, we can kind of alternate alter our programs. But if someone just needs help with cessation or wants to quit smoking, they can always reach out to one of our departments. Our treatment staff are available for nicotine cessation, and they can reach us at our Beaufort office at 843-255-6000, or our Bluffton office, 843-255-6020.
All right, Katie. Well, thank you for coming, and thank you for this PSA. That is all the time that we have. And thank you for tuning in here with us, and stay tuned for the next Beaufort County News segment.